I'm John Phipps. I'm chairman of Cokebusters. I'm also president of Cokebusters USA. So we're here in our UK headquarters at Harden, just outside Chester. It's an old wartime airfield. All the site here was built in the late 1930s. My background is more to do with construction and structural engineering, and this is what I did from school and college. And then coming into this business, it wasn't as good as it could be, in my view, at the time. And looking at the scraper pigs, for example, which is the core of the decoking technology, mechanical decoking, it was applying the rules and guidances, if you like, of structural engineering to look at something that somebody has built and how can that be done better. Starting in the early 2000s, we start with one machine, then two. The machine we're building now is number 22. Each machine is a little different than the one before. We build them all here. The men who operate on site, operating those machines, come back from site and typically will say, hey, I don't like the way that chair is like that, or can we have that screen moved, or how about putting a racking over here or a storage area there. So they're quite properly feeding back into how we build the machines for them to use. One of the things we chose to do here is to, being part of the airfield as a neighbour, to set up an airfield themed display area. And that then became a little bit of a museum. We wanted to show that we had a respect for the aviation airfield heritage. And I think as well, picking up on the engineering of those days, the pioneering of engines and avionics from when this site was developed 80 years ago. And we pick up on that kind of thing. We are very much about electronics, software, hardware, these leading technologies, carbon fiber, and we're in a society, in a community here of industries. I think the thread in all this, for me, is a passion for engineering, a real passion for the heritage of engineering, where it comes from, why things happen, and how can we use that. So this passion, hopefully, goes right through the company.